shows up when she said she did. She had called. She was supposed to be here hours ago. I don't know what her deal is. Never ever shows up. Typical. I ain't putting up with this anymore. No more. Oh, it better be her. It better be her. Hi, Irma, honey. How are you? Where the hell are you? I've been waiting days for you. Well, what do you mean you're lost? What? You're in Cuba? What are you doing in Cuba? Every time you say you're coming here, you never show up. I'm not putting up with this anymore. Well, you need to turn to the north, honey. Turn to the north, okay? And then you come straight up north, and you'll get to us. We've been waiting for you for days now. What? What do you mean the sign says Naples? No, you're not supposed to go to Naples. Miami, you know how to spell Miami, honey? Don't you? No, don't go 75 north to Tampa. No, you're going the wrong way. For God's sakes, you're going the wrong way again. Okay, I'll wait, as usual.